Right. Now, today is going to be our last but not least faculty of pharmaceutical science. Here with us today, I'm very pleased to introduce Associate Professor Dr. Supakan Chamni, Associate Dean of Graduate Studies and Lifelong Affairs, and she will introduce you to this wonderful faculty and excellent program here. Take it away. สวัสดีครับอาจารย์
สวัสดีค่ะ Thank you so much for your kind introductions, and I would like to welcome everyone to the faculties of Pharmaceutical Science, Chulalongkorn University. I feel very grateful that I can meet everyone today, and thank you so much to waiting to meeting us as the last program for the open house activities today. So to introduce the faculties of pharmaceutical science and the graduate programs, we are one of the strongest graduate program in pharmaceutical science in Thailand. We support the knowledge of pharmacy, doing a research, and we have dynamics graduate programs. And today, I would like to introduce our graduate programs. So in this event, we offer 4 graduate programs, including pharmacology and toxicology, industrial pharmacy, social and administrative pharmacy, and pharmaceutical science and technologies. So you can apply to the program based on your background. If you have bachelor degrees in pharmacy, you can apply to all of these programs. However, if you graduate and have bachelor degrees in science and related fields, you can apply to social and administrative pharmacy and pharmaceutical science and technology. We offer master degrees and doctoral degrees. For our master degrees, it would take you 1 or 3 years of education, and for doctoral degrees it would take you 3 to 5 years. We also provide coursework and non-coursework depend on your background. For coursework you will study the courses and do the research, and for non-coursework you will focus on doing a research only. Similar to other programs, we provide funding for international students, including C2F, ASEAN and non-ASEAN scholarship. For Thai students, you can apply for Chulalongkorn graduate funding. However, if you are current student, you can also apply for teaching assistant and research assistance funding as well. If you are interested in all of these 4 programs, you can scan the QR code on the screen to see the brochure of the program and also the booklet to know about our faculties. In the faculties, we divided into 7 departments as listed in the screen, and this department related to research area. So we have social and administrative pharmacy, pharmaceutics and industrial pharmacy, pharmacy practice, food and pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology and physiology, pharmacognosy and pharmaceutical botany, and also we have biochemistry and microbiology. All of this field, I hope it would be interest to your future study. If you would like to see more information about our faculty's member and research that they're doing, please scan the QR code. You can access the research area, get to the email of faculty's member that give you an opportunities to talk to our faculty's member and asking for availability of their laboratories. In the faculties, one of the biggest graduate program in pharmacy. We have around 300 students, and among them around 100 students are international students. So you will be around with the international environment. Every year we have exchange students from many countries and also visiting professor to share the knowledge around the world. Our students can become pharmacists, researcher, academia, lecturer, or develop themselves as the specialist and entrepreneur. Here is the pictures of the learning facilities that we have in the faculties, classroom, library, computer room, and most of the time when you are graduate student, you will work in the research. Our laboratories is the high standard laboratories and support in many areas of pharmaceutical learning and research, including preclinical study, drug discovery, drug actions, drug deliveries, clinical and patient care, and also social and administrative pharmacy, and also extended to research unit, many research unit. One of the unique learning in the research is we have startup company in the faculties, which can make students have an opportunity to translate their research to help product. It's also one of the unique learning that our students can be developed as entrepreneur as well. Here is the pictures of student life. We encourage students to learn in the classroom, outside classroom, and also sharing their experience around the world in global experience. When you are in Thailand, not only learn with us, you will learn Thai culture, explore Thai culture, Thai food, doing a sightseeing. So it's all support you to sharing your own culture and learning Thai culture as well. If you want to visit our faculties, from Suvarnabhumi Airport, it will take you only 1 hour by the train system. We have BTS and MRT system. Our faculty's member is located near BTS Siam Station. So I would like to welcome everyone. If you have time to visit Bangkok, Thailand, please come and visit faculties of pharmaceutical science. So here, for the admission of the graduate programs, the admission already open from today until the end of October. If you would like to see more information, feel free to scan the QR code. There will be a lot of information for qualification of each programs. For example, GPA, recommendation letters, or information document that you need to prepare for the admission. You can study by yourself or email us on the footage of each video that you will see later on. Next, I would like to introduce you to the introductions video of our faculties, following by introductions video of the programs, the 4 programs that I mentioned ahead. You can see more detail about how we learn, how you learn in our faculties. So this is the final message. I would like to make a good wish for everyone. Have a good luck in the graduate journey, and I hope to see you in Bangkok, Thailand. And hopefully you are one of our students at the faculties of pharmaceutical science, Chulalongkorn University. สวัสดีค่ะ Please enjoy the video.
Chulalongkorn University is the premier academic institution in Thailand, and its Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences is the country's first institute of pharmacy. For more than a century, the faculty has been a leading contributor to pharmaceutical knowledge and research. It has consistently sought to develop expert pharmacists, academics, and entrepreneurs for drug discovery and development, drug management, and the creation of pharmaceutical innovations that meet international standards of excellence. The Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences offers 6 graduate programs at the doctoral and master's degree levels. All programs are taught in both Thai and English via on-site and virtual classroom learning systems. Pharmaceutical care. It creates new knowledge through scientific research in hospital pharmacy, pharmacotherapy, clinical pharmacokinetics, and clinical nutrition. Pharmacology and toxicology. It involves drug action on diseases, molecular pharmacology, and genetic study to identify a new molecular target, biological activity determination of chemical substances, investigation of biomolecular substances, preclinical evaluation through in vitro and in vivo studies. Industrial pharmacy. The researcher will be trained in developing pharmaceutical and related health products, including the production process and quality assessment. This program offers 2 research tracks, which are pharmaceutical engineering and pharmaceutics. Social and administrative pharmacy. It allows students to conduct research on building theories, concepts, and tools, along with developing knowledge in different fields, such as pharmacoepidemiology, pharmacoeconomics, pharmacy administration, patient drug use behavior, drug information technology, and drug and health policy. Pharmaceutical sciences and technology. It involves integrated research to promote specialty in the pharmaceutical sciences and technology and undertake advanced research to discover and develop therapeutic substances. The multidisciplinary program offers these 6 research tracks, including herbal medicines and natural products, medicinal chemistry and pharmaceutical analysis, food chemistry and medicinal nutrition, drug delivery systems and pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical biotechnology and microbiology, and pharmacology and toxicology. Cosmetic science. It produces cosmetic science specialists and creates advanced research and innovations that gain international recognition. The Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences is also home to the Pharmaceutical Research Instrument Center, a facility fully equipped with cutting-edge instruments to facilitate outstanding research published in the top 10% of academic journals. The center also supports innovative research with its applications that benefit human health care. The research includes the identification of biologically active natural compounds that can be further developed as herbal drugs and supplements, cancer research that has led to the discovery of biomolecular targets, anti-cancer mechanisms, and new therapeutic approaches to cancer treatment, research and development of protein production technology from tobacco leaves to innovate an antibody test kit and vaccine, research and development of nanopolymers used in pharmaceutical products for dust and virus protection, and cosmetic products for health and beauty enhancement, research on silk proteins for the development of wound healing pads. In addition, the faculty has worked with the national regulator on drug quality control and drug system management. The faculty is committed to forging collaborations with national and international organizations, including universities, research institutes, government agencies, and pharmaceutical companies. Our graduate students have the opportunity to collaborate with respected experts in their research field. This experience enhances their academic potential for coping with global change. These are the goals of the graduate studies programs at the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chulalongkorn University. Encompassing both academic and research components, these programs are designed to produce top-caliber graduates who serve the global society.
The title of the program is the Pharmaceutical Science and Technology. Our program is a multidisciplinary program. Not only the program that we offer various fields, so for the student body, we do have a lot of multinationality, enthusiastic environment, and we have a very vibrant communities that students connected to each other. We do have the class that offer the student to have the actual interaction. So first, the question is why you may interested to apply to PhD program at Chulalongkorn University. Because first, as we know that Chulalongkorn is a world-class university, and also Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science is among of the world-class pharmaceutical program in Thailand. And we also offer the multidisciplinary. So that means you may find one of our professors that suits your interests. And of course, when we do have the multidisciplinary programs, we also offer international collaborations among the several countries throughout the world, ranging from China, Germany, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Philippines, Singapore, United Kingdom, and also USA. And this is available for those who holding both bachelor's and master degree in both pharmaceutical science, in science fields or related field as well. So we are in a multidisciplinary program. So what kind of the fields that has been taught in our programs? So this can be classified into 6 categories. And the first one is the drug delivery system and pharmaceutics. The second one is the food chemistry and medicinal nutrition. The third one is herbal medicines and natural products, medicinal chemistry and pharmaceutical analysis, and pharmaceutical biotechnology and microbiology and pharmacology and toxicology. So this is ranging from the drug discovery process, how you can identify the lead compound, how you can further test them, and how could you formulate the drug product in order to make the suitable pharmaceutical dosage forms. We offer the program for both master and the doctoral degree, right? And we also offer both non-coursework and the coursework. For the student who would like to apply for the non-coursework, you might need to have the experience in the research, both in the master and the doctoral degree. In general, we mostly encourage our students to apply for the coursework program because we also have the class for you guys that you can make sure that you will have the basic knowledge to conduct the research. We have a very wide range of the research area. So I guess that it might have at least one of the topics that suits your interest, ranging from the drug discovery, both from the small molecule and for the large molecule like the antibody or vaccine development. We also have a professor that is very expert in the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics to create the research both in vitro and in vivo model in various specific fields, the cancer cell biology and chemotherapeutic resistance mechanism as well, in order to doing the research in the drug delivery system by using a various type of the drug delivery method like polymer drug conjugate. So for the drug development, we have also have the faculty members who are really special for the bioinformatics. In the research, we kind to adapt those like large data in order to find out the new discovery. Talking about the course offered by PST program, we have a fundamental course, and especially in the principle in the drug development. The class that will teach you the basic knowledge of how the lead compound has been identified from various sources, and then you might have the chance to rotate within that lab. And we have the basic course teaching on the basic research methodology. Will offer the chance for you to develop your proposal. And of course, we have the seminar that conduct every week. So we have a student right now is almost 100 students. So our students discuss every week. Sometimes they present the review articles. So that is very, very fundamental and enthusiastic discussion environment. If you do have the question, do not hesitate to email us at the farscientech@farmchula.ac.th and keep in touch in the Facebook page at the facebook.com/farscientechchula.
Today, I would like to present the International Graduate Program in Social and Administrative Pharmacy. So we have a very unique program offering Master and PhD program in Social and Administrative Pharmacy. a very unique program that combining social science with pharmaceutical science. A master's degree in social and administrative pharmacy, we offer 2 tracks for MS curriculum, with both require 36 credit and take approximately 2 years. However, more than half of the students can finish within 1 year with full-time studies in the program. We offer both a coursework on an non-coursework MS track. With a non-coursework track, you can do a 36 thesis credit, focusing on the credit, and you can sit in with different courses that are offered that could help you with your thesis. However, you can also, if you don't have a very good, choices of what you want to do with your thesis, you can start with an 18 coursework credits and an 18 thesis credit for a coursework MS track. We also offer a PhD in social and administrative pharmacy with an applicant with an MS background or a Bachelor of Science background. And then both of them can be applied using both a non-coursework and a non-coursework PhD track with a dissertation for non-coursework, 60 credits, meaning you don't have to take any courses, or you just can take any courses that might help you with your thesis if you have the thesis topic in mind. However, if you have if you are an applicant with a BSc and bachelor degree background, you can still offer with a PhD program, but you might need to take more coursework if you don't have any background in social and administrative pharmacy. The philosophy of the program is we're trying to emphasize in rigorous and multidisciplinary research in all aspects of social science, from health policies, health economics, pharmacoeconomics, pharmacy informatics, pharmacy, and also healthcare management, epidemiology and pharmacoepidemiology. We also want to combine those theory, also including health behavior and health education, combining it to doing a research on health policies, laws and regulatory science, and also in consumer protection. So we look at this one in a bigger picture level. We want to, our graduates can work on policies. You can become a health policies decision makers. You can be the one who work on designing the policy in your countries, or you can work in the industry that relates to health and pharmaceuticals. So we look at both the macro levels and also the industry levels. The macro levels, you can try to apply all the social science with the health care sector's problem. And also in that industrial level, you can look at applying all these things, which is actually the ecosystem of the pharmaceutical industries, and apply it to the industry that you have in mind, from pharmaceutical medical devices and also into the healthcare services sector, both pharmacy and also in the hospital level. We also would like to, our faculty's member are working in all these areas together to help the graduates, students to be able to apply these knowledge and become a health policy makers or become an entrepreneurs in the end. The program benefits is because we have a multidisciplinary and also an interdisciplinary program. So we are very diverse. We have a strong network with government agencies, pharmaceutical industry, and also professional organization, not just in Thailand, but in Southeast Asia and also at the global level. Our faculty members got funding from WHO, Wellcome Trust, and working with policies at the global level, tackle global health issues, and that is one thing. We also have a lot of students from government agencies from all around the regions, from the FDA, from Thai FDA, from FDA, from all around the world, and also from the Ministry of Public Health. So we have a very strong network, and we believe that our students would get those benefits of having a classmates from all over the regions and all over the world. We also have a lot of students from pharmaceutical industries, not just from Thailand, but from the multinational pharmaceutical industries. We have extensive international collaboration, and we are very diverse, not just in terms of students diversities, but also in terms of professors and researchers in the program that work together, multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary. So, an application requirement for master program has to be a BSc in health-related science. We prefer if you have a 1-year working experience at least, but it doesn't require. And this is an English proficiency test, and we ask for your written examination and interview. Also, the same thing for PhD program. You can either graduate from a BSc degree with honor or an MSc. In social and administrative pharmacy or related science, so you don't have to worry whether you are a pharmacist or not pharmacist, and we are very diverse on that as well. And this is our tuition and expenses. However, we have all the scholarships that the university has provided for us, but we also have a funding that each faculty members has secured their fundings on research, and these faculty members are more willing to talk with all the international students from all around the world if they are interested in our program with a specific scholarship. Thank you.
Master of Science in Pharmacy Program, Doctoral of Philosophy Program in Industrial Pharmacy, Department of Pharmaceutics and Industrial Pharmacy, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chulalongkorn University. Master of Science in Pharmacy Program and Doctor of Philosophy Program in Industrial Pharmacy was developed and designed especially for pharmacists who work or are interested in the fields of research and development of pharmaceutical and health-related products, as well as production and quality assurance. The program allows pharmacists from both the industrial and governmental sectors to gain knowledge and experiences through modern learning technology, critical thinking, and systematic research. Coursework and thesis topics can be customized to suit the student's individual needs. In addition, qualified Master of Science students who are interested to further their research experience can upgrade to the doctoral level program with ease. The program is divided into 2 study tracks depending on the individual student's work conditions and research needs. One is the Pharmaceutical Engineering track, which offers only Master of Science in Pharmacy degree, and 2, the Pharmaceutics track, which offers both Master of Science in Pharmacy and doctoral degree. Pharmaceutical Engineering track is appropriate for industrial pharmacists who work in research and development, production, or quality assurance departments in the pharmaceutical or other related healthcare product industries, and for faculty members who work in academia or research institutes. Thesis can be done in collaboration with pharmaceutical industry, focusing on solving issues encountered in the industry, especially in the student's own workplace. The pharmaceutics track is appropriate for pharmacists who work in research and development, formulation, laboratory and extemporaneous pharmaceutical production, as well as developer of cosmeceutical and related healthcare product prototypes. The program is also suitable for faculty members who work in academia or research institutes. Theses are done in collaboration with pharmaceutical industry and research institutes, both domestic and international, with emphasis on problem solving and promoting pharmaceutical innovations. Regardless of tracks chosen, graduates from the program can work as R&D pharmacists, production and quality assurance pharmacists, pharmacists who assume the duty of plant managers and supervisors in the pharmaceutical and health-related product industries, and can also further their career as faculty members in academia and various research institutes. Qualifications for entrance are as follows, which regardless of degrees applied, all applicants must graduate with a Bachelor of Pharmacy from their respective countries. Master of Science in Pharmacy program consists of 2 study plans. One is a non-coursework, which students are required to do total thesis of 36 credits, and another plan with a coursework, which requires 18 credits of coursework and 18 credits of research. There are 2 entry levels for doctoral degree, master and bachelor level. Applicants graduated with a master's degree in related fields are required to take total of 48 credits, with both coursework and non-coursework plans offered. However, applicant graduated with Bachelor of Pharmacy degree will be required to complete total credits of 72, also with both coursework and non-coursework plans offered. Students in the program are requested to complete 6 credits of required courses, and later they can choose elective courses in the areas of research and development, or formulation and manufacturing, or courses relating to pharmaceutical quality system, to match and tailor-made to their specific needs and their own career path. Our program is managed by the program committee, which comprises of competent faculty members and the program coordinator. Faculty members are well-renowned researchers in the areas of pre-formulation and formulation development of drugs, biologics, vaccines, and cosmetic delivery systems through various routes using different technologies such as nanotechnology, microneedle technology, microencapsulation technology, complexation technology, particle technology, or even 3D printing technology, while evaluating these delivery systems by pharmacokinetics and stability studies. Several faculty members are also pursuing research on developing, monitoring, and control of pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical processes through quality by design concept, utilizing process analytical technology as a research tool. Our current research interests can be divided into 6 different areas as follows. Solid-state chemistry and characterization will involve the study of solid-state kinetics of drugs, polymorphic screening, and investigation of novel polymorphic or amorphous forms as new drug candidates, and evaluate the effect of pharmaceutical processing on solid-state conversion, impacting intellectual property rights. We are also interested in the development of oral drug delivery systems such as tablets, hard and soft capsules, pellets, dissolvable films, and orally disintegrating dosage forms. Many of our researchers also interested in development of topical and cosmetic delivery systems, such as the development of dispersed systems and microneedle technology. Our research also emphasizes on targeted and biopharmaceutical delivery systems and characterized using different cells and animal models, generating many quality research publications. We are also interested in developing particle and vesicular delivery systems through micro and nanotechnology platforms and molecular pharmaceutics. Part of our research contributes to manufacturing process development and control, production scale-up, and pharmaceutical product development of various dosage forms, including design of experiments and applications of process analytical technology within the quality by design concept to achieve commercial scale production complying with ICH Q8 guideline. Research done by our program are internationally accepted and recognized by many acclaimed scientific conferences and researchers. And our commitment to excellence is a never-ending priority. Interested applicants can contact us through the program coordinator, Ms. Natakan Kanana, at ip_farmjula@jula.ac.th as shown.
The Department of Pharmacology and Physiology, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Chulalongkorn University consists of 6 research groups. Pharmacokinetic and Drug Metabolism Research. Associate Professor Dr. Suri Jianmongkol, Dr. Nontanet Narenrat. One of our current research activities on pharmacokinetic, drug metabolisms, and drug transporters is now focusing on drug-herb interaction issues. The research topics include the mechanistic studies of potential drug-herb interaction in drug safety and efficacy, as well as development of natural chemosensitizers or bioenhancers against multi-drug resistance in cancer therapy. Cancer Research Group. Professor Dr. Piti Janwarachot, Assistant Professor Dr. Supannika Thawinwang, Associate Professor Dr. Warisa Phongrekananon. Cancer biology is one of our research areas in this department. We identify the molecular target of cancer metastasis, apoptosis resistance, and cancer immunology that will be potential drug target. We also investigate the pharmacological activity of compounds against cancer, as well as identify their molecular mechanism. Neuroscience Research Group in our department consists of 3 staff. Associate Professor Dr. Thongchai Suksawet. Dr. Thongchai research focuses on neurophysiology, especially the neural circuit analysis of orienting and fear responses. His research uses various techniques, including optogenetics, patch clamp, test-on system, in vivo recording, and behavioral analysis. Associate Professor Flying Officer Dr. Pasarapha Toviwat. Her research aims to evaluate analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects of the compounds using animal models. Dr. Pasarapha investigates the effects of the compounds in acute pain models and neuropathic pain models. Assistant Professor Dr. Rachani Rosiri. She works in the neuropharmacology area. Dr. Rachani's research focuses on the neuroprotective effect of the compounds in the animal model of Parkinson's disease. Dr. Rachani also investigates the neurotoxic mechanisms of drug abuse and the anti-addictive effects of the compounds in the animal models of drug addiction. Animal models are the important tools for the research in neuroscience. Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Chulalongkorn University provides the animal research facility equipped with various behavioral apparatus such as video tracking system, rotarod for rats and mice, drug self-administration apparatus, hot plate and tail flick test. These equipment and facility help support the advanced research in neuroscience area. Cardiovascular Pharmacology and Physiology Research Group Associate Professor Dr. รัตยา ลือชาพุทธิพร Dr. วุฒิพร ลิ้มประสูติ We focus on the fundamental mechanisms of the cardiovascular system and how drugs influence the heart and vascular system. Our team explores many techniques, such as cell studies, animal studies, to investigate the cause and treatment of atherosclerosis, arrhythmias, and cardiac toxicity of drugs, and many more. Pharmacogenomics Research Group Dr. วราลี ยอดสุราง Her research relates to identifying biomarkers for disease prediction, drug response, and adverse drug reactions, which may differ according to the genetics of each patient. Her projects include the use of patient samples, studies in cell cultures, and functional analysis in animal model. Toxicology Research Group Dr. วิสรุต บุรณสัจจะ Dr. วุฒิพร ลิ้มประสูติ For toxicological research, our team mainly focuses on cellular mechanisms of toxicity of pharmaceutical compounds, natural products, as well as pollutants. We also investigate and develop protective approach to prevent damage from exposure to such compounds.